What are you doing? What are you doing, Seamoss? He doesn't say too much when he's in there's a shade. Make him talk. See if you can talk. Don't make him talk, but see if you can get him to say stuff. Oh, be easy, Molly Goose. Hello, puppy. Oh, what a beautiful dog.
Looks like a golden retriever.
Yes. Looks like a golden retriever to me. You're used to doggies though, huh?
Doesn't seem
What a nice boy. He's just interested in the birds. Oh, they're not scared. They're fine.
Amazingly.
That's a beautiful dog.
Amazingly, he's not scared. You know? I mean, he didn't even show one timber of...
No, because he's with you and you're his person. What do you think about that? You got a bird that's bonded to you, Michael.
Yep.
I think it's wonderful. What do you think, Mr. Seamoss? Mr. Seamoss bird.
Hey, look what you're doing.
What, buddy? Listen to those dogs. And let's get Molly Goose and Mama. Molly and Mama. Molly and Mama. Oh, the pretty Molly Goosey. Yes, I love you. Love, 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 love. Yes. And back to the Seamoss.
Oh.
Oh.
See that? He stuck his head underneath my chin.
Oh. Make a left.
I know.
How's her head? Any better?
Huh?
Any better, your head?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
She's now dying of heat.
Yes, it's very hot. Ooh, they went to Fuzzy. Oh, Molly Fuzz. Mr. Seamoss! What a pretty boy. Oh.
Did he scratch my ear?
Yeah, I think so. I think he likes taking a walk. Ooh! Thanks, Molly.
And when he's on my shoulder and I put my finger up to him to pet him,
Yeah.
he doesn't try to bite me, he just goes to push my finger away.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's not that he's trying to bite me, it's just he's using his beak to push my finger away.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Hey, boy.
Oh, he loves his Michael.
He does.
Oh, he loves his snuggling with his Michael bird. Ooh. Oh, how cuddly. He's a cuddly boy. Yes.
He likes the camera.
He does like the camera. That's a camera bird. That's what Jose said. Ooh, you love the camera. You perform. Oh. What a nice boy.
I wonder if the male's come yet.
I don't know. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Probably not.
What are you doing? Look for people's flag. No, it hasn't. I always look for people's flags up. That's how I tell.
That's what I was going. Oh, you're bringing my chin.
Oh, what a pretty boy. Just stand there for a minute.
No, he's apparently hot.
He loves that camera. Oh, what a good boy. Oh, I think he wants you to scratch. Oh, he loves you. Oh, what a good boy. Oh, he wants you to scratch. Oh, he's trying to get you to... Oh, okay, that's it. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what he's trying to do. I think he's trying to explore. He almost acts like he wants you to scratch his head, doesn't he? Oh.
And Mollie's go like, whoa.
Oh, look. You know, he's putting his head down, Michael. Oh, he wants you to scratch his beak. Oh, what a sweet boy. Oh. Oh, what a nice bird.
Look at that casing.
Oh, wow. Oh, how sweet. Oh, what a good boy. That Mollie does that too.
What?
He'll beak you so you pet him and stuff. Oh, that's so great. Oh, he wants to play. Oh. Oh, that's great, Michael.